Speaking of region, what are the top strengths and unique feature of the San Diego region?
You can measure that in so many different ways, but ultimately we're one of the most entrepreneurial regions in the world by all sorts of different ways of looking at it. People translate their ideas to real impact through startup creation in this region more than in just about any other region on a global level. What we do here probably better than any region in the country, actually. We're not stuck in any one lane. So we are not the best at innovating in a particular technology. If you think about Silicon Valley, you can think about what they do. You think about Boston, you know what they do. San Diego is really, really good at is innovating in the space between existing technologies and around the edges of technologies. So we're driving digital health, for example. That's data, and it exists somewhere between engineering and health sciences. We're really good at that. We're creating new sectors and new disruptive technologies and so on. What I like to say is to investors, if you want to invest in today's technologies, go to Silicon Valley. Have a nice day. If you want to invest in tomorrow's technologies, come here, because San Diego is creating the technologies that haven't even been invented yet. I think that's really our strength. The other thing about San Diego is it's the most connected area I've ever been in. Ireland, which is where I come from, is about the same size as San Diego. And they say, well, how is San Diego so successful? And my answer is everybody talks to everybody. You will never knock on a door in San Diego and not be let in. People pay back, they pay forward, they pay every which way. It's a really, really good place to be. All the way from the top CEOs of the biggest companies here in San Diego have this sense of responsibility. People help them to get to where they are, and they do pay that back. So it's a great place to be.